Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you already saw from the title, we will unbox the ASOS Festival box. The ASOS Festival box is retailed for £15. It contains 7 products, a hair tinsel and body gems. If this sounds interesting to you, then stay with me. The box itself looks lovely, is colorful and joyful. I like the packaging a lot. Now all we have to do is to open it and discover the products. First we find an eye mask from OK, vitamin C eye mask with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, depuffs and brightens. This eye mask is infused with vitamin C to brighten and even out complexion. Second product is from the brand Luna, the Everywhere Spray to Wipe. I will not insist with this product. What I can say about it is that it is a toilet mist, is enriched with vitamin A and that is suitable for normal skin. The third product from ASOS Festival box is from a brand that I like, the brand Rituals. The Ritual of Karma Shimmer Body Oil. Well guys, I had this body oil in the past and I didn't like it. I will describe it as a mixture of big glitters with body oil. The glitters are big and chunky, doesn't look nice on the skin. The product itself smells nice and when you look at the bottle it looks lovely. But on the skin doesn't look nice at all. The fourth product is from a brand that I don't know, is called Kula, and here we have their makeup setting spray with SPF 30 and hyaluronic acid. Highly versatile Kula setting spray is infused with SPF 30, allowing it to shield you from the harsh rays of the sun as long as possible. Next we find a product from the brand OPV Beauty, Metal and Liquid Glitter. I am curious to see the shade. It's a golden metallic shade. It looks nice. The sixth product from the beauty box is very small. It's a sunscreen from the brand Lancaster. Sun Beauty Face Cream with SPF 30. It's a hydrating sun cream and is water resistant. I heard about this brand. I didn't try anything from them, but I heard that they have very good sun protection creams. Product number 7 is a mini perfume from Moschino, Toy Boy fragrance. It's a floral, woody, spicy fragrance for men. It smells nice, woody and spicy, not too strong. I find it suitable for autumn and winter, maybe too strong and heavy for summertime. 2 more products and we are done. Next we find the hair tinsel from the brand Easy Locks. This is how it looks. And the last product from the beauty box is from the brand In Your Dreams, Face, Body and Hair Jewels. Wear these cute gems on your face, body and even in your hair to create that euphoric look you've been dreaming of. Okay, beautiful people, here are all the products from the ASOS Festival box. My opinion about this box is not the best one. I am not over the moon about what I found. Even that the box contains 9 items, I cannot say that we find amazing products inside. Well, this is my honest opinion about the box. What do you think? Let me know your opinion in the comment section below this video. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!